instructional video.
That might not work. I might have some more grinding to do on this. We'll see. I got more grinding to do. Be better if I had my torch. I could torch this shit right off. To put a ratchet, probably an extension in the right socket on the back of it and spin it and see what I got. It look like it's flared out still here. Let me hit that a little bit. Oh my God, what is this? It's coming. Damn. And then after this, 2 more, and I still got to cut the nuts for the shackle and the hanger. Cover my hand. Let's see. Seem to work better when I get the bracket all the way out the way and get this thing down to the bare frame. You know what I'm saying? Now I need to grind. I think I need to grind that. It works better when I get the bracket out the way, take this down, flush with the frame, and then pop it. Man, my son got a good one. That shit ain't gonna last. See what I mean? When you take it down flush, the rivet down flush with the base of the frame, it pop right out. Now you can jack up.
We should finish.
That ends the process of this foolishness.
On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you give it?
In terms of what, difficulty?
In terms of the layman's difficulty.
Oh, this bitch is definitely 11.
11?
You know, because you got to get that bushing out. You got to burn that out. Get you a little propane torch, set it up there with some cinder blocks. And,
we got video of that.
You know what I mean? And just let it burn it away. Now the problem is you gonna have what's that? Burnt up rubber gooey shit everywhere. On the tools, on everywhere. So get ready for that. Then you're gonna have to cut. Well, you can try to leave that sleeve in there and knock the new bushing in because I cut it out. I put 2 cuts, one at 6 o'clock and one at 4 o'clock, and knocked it out. Then when I went to put the new bushing in, without that, it was too loose. So I had to reinstall that with the new bushing. Did that with a C-clamp that was also hell. But we got it on there, and you know, we don't have video footage of that because that shit was hella hard. We wasn't even trying to video with that. We was just thinking of working. It wasn't playtime. You know, playtime was over.
So
putting that new bushing in.
Overall, from start to finish, on a scale from 1 to 10.
It's dark. It took a long motherfucking time.
Okay, would you recommend it
for an amateur?
For an amateur.
He better been fucking around with vehicles for a minute. Not no rookie motherfucker, you know? You can't be no rookie at this, man. You gotta know what you're doing. You better have some fabrication and some problem solving techniques behind you when it comes to this shit. Ours look better than the other side that some other jackleg did. Instead of the bolts turned out the wrong fucking way. Speaking of that, let me go ahead and paint that. Let's get the other side. Let's get some video footage of the bullshit side. I ain't had nothing to do with that, man. See them bolts turned out? Teddy Bear would have never did no shit like that.
No,
and I kind of wanted to turn them in the right way, but after that, these motherfuckers would do that. Damn. What we're gonna do is when we get this off, we're gonna hit this with the wire brush. You know what I mean? Get it down nice and clean. Put some black paint on it. You know, because we don't want bare rusty metal up under our fresh bracket that we wouldn't be able to clean after we get it on here. When we do go to wire brush and paint this frame, so we do this. They should have did, stupid motherfuckers. Should have did that over there, but you want to clean this up. Prep it for some paint while you got access to it, as opposed to afterwards when you ain't gonna have access to it. You can see it's got some rust issues going on here. That ain't gonna stop it from working, but you know. Okay, so damn, that's gonna be a motherfucker. That's gonna be one of them. That's gonna be both sides of the cut. I'm pretty sure.
Not right.
Like a motherfucker. Stuff is shooting out.
How to remove a leaf spring bushing curbside instructions.
On YouTube.
All you guys without a press. Access to ball joint removal / reinstall tool. Here's how you get her done. If it's brown, it's down. Now, we got the yellow tube, the yellow can. Of course, you don't need that one. You can use the blue one. That's just propane. No oxygen needed. Dude, I'm sweating. That joint hot. You not hot? You don't feel the heat?
That joint blowing smoke rings. Notice it is now dark. Hey, shit everywhere. Now we got to see how it rides, huh?